My take on sustainable design and all that stuff is that the only way to solve that is to just like not design something and figure out some way of doing it with whatever you have already, because making something is basically, there is no sustainable way of doing that. But if we have to go ahead and make something, which we've decided to do, then my solution for it is to try to make it so that it can at least in the future, maybe not right away, come apart and be recycled. Every material, it will be an assembly of parts, and that each part will be made out of one material, hopefully one that can just go straight into the recycling at your house. Therefore, it won't go in the landfill like most of the stuff that I've designed over the years has entailed, like laminating fabrics and foams and stitching, and my least favorite thing is zippers, because as soon as you put all that stuff together, it's never coming apart. Eventually it's all going to go in the garbage. So just trying to respect that in the design process to make it so that one day if it does start to break, and first of all, make it really good so it doesn't want to break. When it does break, you could fix it. If you can't fix it, you could replace parts of it. And then if it's totally done, then it can be recycled.